Hi everyone, I will be talking about what I learned from my assigned readings of high leverage practices, as well as my impact on my perspective on inclusion or differentiation based on HLP practices, as well as what questions I still have about it. So what I have learned from my assigned readings is I actually really was not familiar with HLP, which is also called high leverage practices. I may have been a long time if I ever heard of it, but it means that these are essential teaching practices and strategies that significantly enhance students' learning and is foundational for developing effective teaching strategies. So there are 4 domains that go into HLP practices. That is collaboration, data-driven planning, instruction in behavior and academics, as well as intensify and intervene as needed. So how this impacts my perspective on inclusion or differentiation is HLPs turn inclusion and differentiation into clear, research-based practices that can be learned, practiced, and also taught. Inclusion becomes an active process to tailor learning environments and instruction to meet the diverse needs rather than placing students in the classrooms. So what I've learned about high leverage practices so far is that each domain has pillars and embedded practices that are infused with culturally inclusive pedagogies. So we need to consider the people, the resources, and the environments that intersect and interact with the education space. So we really want to make sure that culture always stays inside the classroom. It could be anywhere, but we also really need to make sure that it also stays in the classroom and not get rid of it at all. So what questions do I still have? So what is the process of high leverage practice? So basically, what steps are included in this process so we can assist our students effectively and in a timely manner?